Hey escape artists, welcome to Escape Land Dad. Today we're delving into the ultimate pursuit in life, wealth, health, and happiness. But here's the twist. Maybe we are pursuing them in the wrong order. When we talk about success, it's often seen as a linear path, wealth first, health second, and happiness bringing up the caboose. We think, I'll be happy and healthy once I'm rich. But what if we flip the script? What if we placed our happiness and health at the beginning? What if we believed that wealth would naturally follow if we prioritize our happiness and well-being? I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it's a game changer that can lead to a more meaningful and satisfying life. Let's make a case for this not so conventional approach. You see, happiness should be our ultimate goal. But what about wealth and health, you ask? They're the supporting actors, not the stars. Because happiness is the real deal. While wealth and health can certainly contribute, they aren't the primary factors determining our happiness. Happiness? Well, it's a state of mind. It's possible even when your financial or physical circumstances aren't perfect. So, instead of chasing wealth first and hoping it brings happiness and health, how about starting with happiness, emotional intelligence, and health? When you're happy, when you're healthy, you become a magnet for wealth. Your happiness isn't just a destination, it's a foundation and the support structure. It allows you to build your health and wealth on rock-solid ground. This approach isn't just fulfilling, it's sustainable and long-term. It's about enjoying the entire journey, not just the destination. And here's a great quote. Happiness is not so much in having as sharing. It's not about what you get, but what you give. Wealth is just a tool, not the ultimate goal. When we chase wealth at the expense of happiness, it often comes at a hefty cost. Relationships, time, freedom, values, and the end result, you might find yourself unfulfilled and dissatisfied. You see, happiness is the outcome of doing what brings out the best in you, including doing your best work. Research even shows that those who focus too much on money tend to be less happy. So, how can you prioritize happiness? It's about nurturing positive emotions, meaningful relationships, and purposeful experiences. Even if it doesn't always lead to immediate wealth, it results in a sense of well-being and contentment. Pursue your passions, your curiosities. When you're happy, you radiate positive energy, improving mental clarity and creativity, allowing you to achieve more. Being happy is a blessing for your physical health too. You make healthier choices when you feel good. So you're mindful of what you eat, prioritize quality sleep, and engage in regular exercise. When you prioritize fulfillment, you enhance your overall health and naturally attract wealth into your life. It's a simple yet powerful concept. Prioritize the essentials in life. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who need a dose of positivity and empowerment. It'll really help this old dude out. The pursuit of happiness, health, and wealth takes on a whole new dimension when you put happiness first. It's a different approach, making your journey more fulfilling and sustainable. I'll conclude by sharing my top 5 most frequently asked questions. Number 1, is wealth essential for a happy life? Wealth can provide comfort, but it doesn't guarantee happiness. Number 2, can one find happiness regardless of financial circumstances? Absolutely. Happiness is a state of mind and can be achieved under various conditions. Number 3, how does happiness affect health? Being happy can lead to better physical and mental health, promoting a longer, healthier life. Number 4, what's the role of relationships in happiness? Meaningful relationships often contribute significantly to happiness. And finally, number 5, how do emotions affect happiness? Well, this is a huge talking point for a future video, but overall, they have a tremendous effect. Working on your emotional intelligence and ultimately discovering how to return to a powerful and creative state of being is one of the most important things I would challenge you to learn. Now, if you already have plenty of happiness, but you need some help with wealth, we got you covered too. If you're a self-starter who enjoys making a positive impact on others and dreams of breaking free from the daily grind, then it's time to take action. Join us on this transformative journey towards financial freedom and the pursuit of your dreams. The future of health and wellness awaits your vision and passion. I will leave some more information in the description below. But thanks for joining me on this video, and remember, you are never too old or too young to get started on the path of freedom. Just gotta get started. I love you guys.